Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. You can easily make a group chat on Facebook Messenger in case you want to reach a specific group of friends. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can easily create a group chat on Facebook Messenger using your desktop, your Android device, or your iOS device. In today's video, I'm going to use my Android device. But if you are using your iOS, the step is pretty much similar. Start by launching your Facebook Messenger application, and if you are not signed in, first make sure you are. Now, tap on the pencil mark at the upper right corner from your conversation screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Tap on Create a New Group at the top of the screen, right below the text field. Once you do that, all of your friends on your Facebook will be listed below. Select the contacts that you'd like to add on your Facebook group. Once you select enough members for your Facebook group, go and tap on the next button at the upper right, and then you'll need to name your new chat. Type in the name for your group, and finally tap on Create at the upper right corner, and that is it. It's pretty quick and easy, isn't it? You've created yourself a new group on Facebook Messenger. You can now start typing in a text message and welcome your new group members for Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.